Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a verified shop URL and the authority to edit your business listings. Once you have that, decide you will use a static QR so the code always points to the same address. Open the platform or QR generator built into your shop dashboard or a trusted generator. Paste the exact URL. Make sure there are no shorteners or tracking parameters that might change. From here, set basic options like file type and size before proceeding. Now fine-tune the QR settings to balance look and function. Choose error correction, M or Q, so you can safely overlay a small logo without breaking the code. Adjust colors for high contrast, dark code on light background scans best. Select file type next, SVG or PDF for print, PNG for quick web use. Once configured, generate the code and download the highest resolution export available. Immediately test the generated code with multiple devices to validate the destination and scanning speed. Finish by deploying the QR in the places customers will use it: product pages, checkout receipts, printed signage. Once done, scan it yourself with an iOS camera and an Android device and try a generic scanner app to ensure consistent behavior. Make sure link opens in a mobile-friendly page. If something goes wrong, regenerate the QR with the correct encoded URL rather than relying on redirects. That fixes most errors. Keep a backup of the original high-res file for reprints or replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.